My name is Yeny Ariza Silva. I am 33 years old. I am a student of Business Administration of Unidad University. I live in La Paz, Santander, with my children and my mother. In the month of July, I traveled with my family first to the municipality of Chiquinquirá, Boyacá, where we visit the Basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary. Then we enjoyed the view of its beautiful landscapes. After that, we visit Villa de Leyva, where its streets, houses, and museums fall in love with tourists. The climate in this place is temperate and warm, so it's encouraged the use jacket, hard and carb, sunscreen, and cold weather clothing for the afternoon and evening. Children should not be left alone for the amount of tourists. Villa de Leyva breeds a peaceful atmosphere. Vehicles cannot be parked in the streets. Its streets are always clean of gates on different places of delicious desserts. Finally, they are places worth visit. Thanks.